team of Heartfulness Training Center Tukunta, team of TAPE Solutions. I warmly welcome you to this auspicious program of poster launch for the Hackathon event, which is organized by Team TAPE Solutions at the Heartfulness Training Center Tukunta from 21st of March to 23rd of March. What is TAPE Solutions? TAPE Solutions, a talent acquisition platform for empowerment of students, is one of the esteemed platforms for multiple skill development where we provide quality service and training programs for students in different aspects and support them in all around development. As said, learning is a never-ending process like our galaxy. We always keep ourselves upgraded. We assure you that the best ever talent will be brought out from one's inner voice and is made to acquire with the assistance given to beloved students who are known as future missiles of our nation. They go with the slogan, accumulate, acquire, and act.
Their vision, to achieve the supremacy of their field of interest and for betterment of their career to meet global challenges. Their mission, to train the students to come up with the innovative solutions for solving dynamic problems and inculcate professional, ethical and value-based education for advancement in their career. Services provided, educational aspects, cultural aspects, co-curricular aspects, sports, internship, self-learning aspects, events, source for emerging creators and champions for hackathon event in one among their services.
What is a hackathon? A hackathon is a time-limited event where individuals or teams come together to collaboratively work on a project typically related to software development, hardware, or other technological solutions. The goal is to create a functional prototype, solve a specific problem, or achieve a set of objectives within the given time frame, which can range from a few hours to several days. Key characters of a hackathon include time frame, theme or challenge, interdisciplinary teams, innovation, prototyping, learn and judging and prizes. Hackathons are popular in tech industry, academia and various other sectors as means of fostering innovation, collaboration and rapid development of solutions to pressing challenges. They can be organized by companies, educational institutes, or community groups and have played a significant role in the development of innovative technologies and ideas. Theme for Hackathon is technological sustainability in human evolution, which refers to the responsible and ethical development, deployment and use of technology to meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It involves assuring the technological advancements contribute to long-term well-being, environmental health and social equity. Here are some key aspects of technological sustainability in human evolution. Environmental impact, resource management, social equity, long-term viability, ethical considerations, innovation for social and environmental benefit, education and awareness. By integrating these principles into the development and use of technology, humanity can work towards a more sustainable and responsible evolution, assuring the technological advancements contribute positively to well-being of current and future generations.
Without any further delay, let us start the program with a prayer song. I request Ms. Harshita to sing a prayer song and I also request everyone to please stand up for the prayer song.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन। होगा विशाल गरवल वो बीज जो पड़ा है, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। वो सर्वशक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, वो सर्वशक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, हर काम उनके रहते हर दिन हुआ पड़ा है। कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ। हजारों कदम बढ़ाने वो सामने खड़ा है, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Ms. Harshita, for enlightening us with an amazing song.
Proceeding further into the event, I would like to call up on the dignitaries of today's event launch program onto the stage. Chief guest of the day, Mr. Veeramalla Prakash Rao Garu, an Indian activist and co-founder of Telangana Rashtra Samiti, TRS. I request please come on to the stage. Mr. G. Narsimha Rao Garu, event coordinator, the Heartfulness Training Center, Tumkunta. Mr. Hridhi Verma Garu, Management Committee of the Heartfulness Training Center, Tumkunta. Mr. Lokesh, Management Committee of the Heartfulness Training Center, Tumkunta. Mr. Narendra Reddy Garu, Technical Director, Tape Solutions. Mr. C. Abhishek Garu, Chief Marketing Officer of Tape Solutions. Mrs. Vishali, Principal Director, Hello Kids School, who is Advisory Board Member and a collaborator of Tape Solutions. Mr. E. Vignan Reddy, Director of Lee Talkies, who is Advisory Board Member and a collaborator of Tape Solutions. Mr. Shiva Ramakrishna Garu, Director of Sarigama Music School, who is an Advisory Board Member and a collaborator of Tape Solutions. Mrs. V. Kavita, Chief Coordinator of the event. Mrs. Y. Padma Rekha, Chief Coordinator for the event. Mrs. Krishnaveni, Chief Coordinator for the event. Mrs. Joshna, Chief Coordinator for the event. Mr. Dinesh, Chief Coordinator for the event. Mr. Anant Prasanna, Chief Coordinator of the event. Ms. Hashita, Chief Coordinator for the event. Mr. Anil, Chief Coordinator for the event. Mr. G. Satyendra Prakash Garu, Manager, the Heartfulness Training Center, Tumkunta. Ms. Srividya, Student Coordinator for the event. Mr. Krishmuki, student coordinator for event. Ms. P. Yashwita, student coordinator for the event. Mr. Anthony, student coordinator for the event. Ms. Chandra Hani Reddy, student coordinator for the event. Ms. K. Sonakshi, student coordinator for the event. And now, last but not the least, I request Mr. B. Avin, the organizer of the event, who is founder director of Tape Solutions, to come on to the stage to proceed further into today's event.
I now request the chief guest of the day, team of the Heartfulness Training Center, Tumkunta, and team of Tape Solutions to launch the poster and hand it over to the chief coordinates and student coordinators and set the program go. Posters open.
Good morning, everyone. So, I have conducted more than half a dozen hackathons in last couple of years, even during COVID time also. So, the concept evolved. Why hackathon? See, every day we are getting more than 60,000 thoughts. Out of 60,000, 48,000 thoughts are nowhere related what we want. Most of the thoughts are negative. That is the human mind. When we think about a particular subject, you cannot think more than 5 seconds or 10 seconds. To focus more, Adi Gurus invented this meditation. Hackathon is directly connected to meditation. Any inventor in this world, from ages. He focused on particular object and he invented it. That concentration should be hours together, not minutes or not seconds. But human minds, since ages, habituated not to think more than 5 seconds or 10 seconds on particular thought. Maybe you are all looking towards me, but your mind is roaming somewhere. This hackathon evolved because 2 continued days or 48 hours or 24 hours. They will think on only what they want to invent. First they will focus on the challenge. Then they will try to focus on solutions. That thought process will give sufficient energy to the neurons to put together, all the neurons will come together and connect to the universal conscious. First you have to understand what is God, who is God. God is nothing but nature. In my opinion, Bhagavan is a Sanskrit word. The Bhagavan is the first name to the God. Bha means moving. Sanskrit moving is earth. Ga means Gagan. Va means Vayu. A means Agni. N means Neeru. All Panchabhutas are God. These Panchabhutas witnessed so many creations and so many destructions. See, without the support of the Panchabhutas, we cannot invent anything. We cannot focus our thoughts, hours together on particular solution. So first, whoever comes in the hackathon, we have to explain why we have to focus continuously 2 days. Because if you teach them the secret of the universe, believe and achieve. First they have to believe that they will definitely find the solution for that particular challenge. First they have to believe themselves. I am going to invent. I am going to convince the other people. I am going to different solution for this challenge. See, every 20 years generations are changing. When generation is changed, the size of the brain will be increased. Because since 20 lakhs years, only one part increasing in the human body. That is nothing but brain. Because every generation is adding some knowledge, new solutions to the new challenges which are evolving. So these hackathons will help to find solutions because they will focus on that particular solution hours together, days together. Then only they will invent the solution for the particular challenge. So this is the secret we have to convey to the igniting minds of the young people. Otherwise there is no use. By sitting together they will discuss about feelings. Subconscious mind can't connect. And particularly when you have to conduct hackathons, there should not be any examinations. Because their mind will involve in the examinations, how to write the examination. Those subjects should not be in the mind when you are conducting hackathons. The timing is most important. When people they are thinking on something, some challenge or some household problems, they can't focus on hackathon. That is the main reason why they have invented this hackathon since few years. So one of the organization I am leading, that honorary president, Telangana Information Technology Association, they will coordinate all hackathons. If you want, I will connect them also. Because they have conducted more than 20 hackathons in India, different parts of the country. So they have sufficient knowledge how to educate, how to ignite, how to connect, and how to conduct. So if you want, I can connect one of them next few days before program, that prior to March 21st. Okay, thank you. I wish you all success.
Thank you everyone for making time out of your busy schedule and giving this event a good start.